How to sign in to Binance Wallet app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign into the Binance Wallet account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log in to the Binance app, you can simply open the Binance app and here you can just sign up or log in. So basically right here all you have to do is just make sure to enter the email address that you use for your Binance account, right? So I will also just go ahead and then make sure to enter the email address right over here. Once I've entered my email, just tap on the next option. It will send a verification code to this email first. Now you can also go ahead and then enter your password, then tap on the next option, and then your Binance account will be successfully logged in. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot password option if you'd like to reset it. This way you'll be able to log into the Binance Wallet account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.